Okay, take two. No more announcements. I think everybody's gone. No more interruptions. No more bells. Let's get this out of the way with digital multimedia. Told you guys I was going to be shooting this video, and I want to make sure that I give you guys this information to kind of go over so that I'm covering myself here so that you guys understand the routine or the steps that you need to take in regards to submitting your file. Now, this red this red hard drive is going to be located in the back of the classroom next to the print server or the video production computer back here. And it can be unplugged and it can be moved around. I've already kind of told you guys this stuff. When you plug it into your laptop, locate the the folder that represents the hour that you're enrolled in, and then drag and drop your introductory video into that corresponding folder. All right, make sure that it's going into the right hour. Don't drop it in some other hour because you won't get credit for it. Now, I realized that not a lot of you guys are kind of familiar with this, so I decided to make this split screen TV video for you to kind of show you guys a little bit about what I was talking about. When you plug in the drive, as you can see here on my monitor, you're going to get this little icon that pops up that's called digital multimedia. Don't get confused here. The little icon that pops up is yellow, but the drive is red. All right? I can already hear some people saying, well, I don't understand why my icon looks yellow, but the thing's red. This is just an icon, a picture that Mac brings up when anything gets plugged in like a hard drive, all right? Don't overanalyze it, okay? Now, when that hard drive pops up, you simply double-click it, and you can see right here I've got the files in there, the folders in there. Actually, matter of fact, let me just kind of minimize these real quick to show you what it's going to look like when you first get in there. As you can see, second, third, and sixth hours right here. Oh, zoom in, zoom out. There you go. Second, third, sixth hour, representing all three of my multimedia classes. You can go ahead and double-click and open up that folder, and you'll see another little subfolder called weekly episode work. That's where you're going to drag and drop your film into. Remember, I'd like you guys to have your last name underscore intro as the file. Now, if you've gone through iMovie and you've baked it or you rendered and exported the file correctly, you'll see that the ending of the period will have an MP4 file format. Make sure that that's in there. Make sure it's not anything else. A couple people from some classes have already done this, so you might notice that there's already stuff inside the files, inside the folders. If any of you guys have the same last name, just put a first initial in there to kind of separate it so that we don't overwrite anybody else's files. But I just want to let you guys see that when you guys are done with this at your individual computer, make sure that you click the eject button. Don't just unplug it, because what you run the risk of doing, unfortunately, is not having this drive work on that USB port that you plugged it into on your laptop, unless you restart the whole computer again, which is kind of a senseless operation if you ask me. All right, we'll have our viewing party when we get back from winter break. Trust me, I'm not really having much fun over at CO doing whatever it is that they're asking me to do. I really wish I was here to have this with you, but I think we're going to have a lot of interesting times on Wednesday watching everybody's preview, and make sure that you guys get everything saved to the red drive, the red one. All right? See you guys. Have a great winter break. Bye.